What's up, guys? Quick tip I wanted to tell you. As you can see, that house is not completed yet, not even near being completed. Well, it's near. However, I want to tell you a little tip. I know I've told you guys before, if you are rehabbing, let me see, yep, you see right there, for sale by owner sign. I used to put for sale coming soon, fully remodeled coming soon. For sale by owner still works. I personally believe in always paying agents, using agents, putting it on the open market. However, while you're rehabbing it, it does not hurt just to have a sign out. So this particular house, and the reason I'm filming it, is it's already sold and it's not even completed yet. It is already sold at full price, no agent commission, no closing cost assistance, already under contract because of that sign. So that's a savings of about $22,000 because of putting a $30 sign out front. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I know I told you this before, but I wanted to make sure to tell you again, so you make sure, if in fact you are rehabbing it, that you go ahead and do it. Sell a house before it's even done. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys soon.